We're going to get even more efficient now by programming with something called procedures. A procedure is just a way of saving a bunch of commands. And if you've ever made any mistakes, so you haven't been precise in any of your coding so far, then you'll be able to appreciate why it might be a good idea to be able to save commands and then possibly go back to them and alter them if they're not quite right, rather than typing them all out again. So to be able to save a command, we type into the commander edit, and then we need the double quotes, which is Shift and 2 on your keyboard, and then you give what we call a procedure a name. So I'm just going to call mine draw square, like that. It could be called anything, it could be called trousers, but let's give it something that's a relevant name. You'll see why in a minute. So when we do that, and we hit enter or click on execute, this editor window pops up. Now in the editor window, we just want to go inside the two lines that came up. It said to draw square and end. We need to get the cursor in between them, and this is where we just type in our command or commands that we want to run each time, and then we say file and save and exit, and it disappears. So I'm just going to clear down the screen, and I'm going to call up draw square. So all I've got to do, now I've saved that, is type in the name of it, execute, and there we go, it runs, and it's done the same as that would have done, because that has been stored inside the procedure. And I can go back and check it again. I can do edit draw square, like that, and I can go back into it and change it. So this time if I wanted a bigger shape, I can just go in and change the number of pixels that the shape is going to move forward. I'm going to save it again. I'm just going to clear down my screen again, CS, and then call up the procedure, and just by changing what was in it before, oh, I've spelt it wrong there, lack of precision, you'll get it more precise than me, that should be better. Now we get a bigger square. So that's the basic use of procedures. You can check out all the procedures, by the way, if you click on Ed All. Any that you've written and have saved would be in this list, one underneath and each other along there.